Am I the only one that didn't know Cardano wallet restores could fail? Let's figure out why and how to fix it. Restoring your Cardano wallet can sometimes fail. And here's why. First off, using an incorrect recovery phrase is a biggie. If you enter the wrong phrase, you'll end up with a completely different wallet. Make sure to enter those words in the exact order they were created in. Next up, BIP44 non-compliant values. If you use values other than 20, your wallet might not restore properly. BIP44. Address discovery needs those specific values. And watch out for large gaps in your wallet. They can slow things down and mess with performance. Your wallet can only see transactions within its address _pool_ gap. Transactions outside this range? They'll be invisible. To restore your Cardano wallet, open your Cardano wallet software, select Restore Wallet, choose the type of wallet, and enter the recovery phrase words in the correct order. Easy as that. Got it? Now go give it a try and get your Cardano wallet back on track.